Hi, this is Ben, and I'm opening up and trying out these solar floodlights. Opening up the box here, this comes with mounting hardware. There's 4 screws and anchors for each light. User manual, the 2 lights, as well as the warranty. Pulling this out, I can immediately tell that this is built really well. It's made of plastic, but most of what you see here are the 298 LED lights. There are 2 holes for mounting the light. The motion sensor is this round element here in the middle. Along the top are the solar panels, which charge up the light during the day. This does not use batteries or wiring or anything. This is rainproof, heatproof, and frostproof, though I haven't tested that out yet. On the back is the setting switch, which also has a waterproof cover on it. It can be set to off, but there's 3 additional settings as well, and the user manual explains how those work. The switch is not accessible when it is mounted, so you do need to have the set to the setting you'd like to use before you mount it. So I charged up this light to test it out in our backyard, and I was super impressed at the brightness. The video does not do it justice at all. You can't really see it, but almost the entire background is lit up by this one single light. The light is amazingly bright. The motion sensor works great. The best part about these lights is that they are fully automated. So they charge during the day and they're operational at night, and you can place them virtually anywhere you want. And with this 2-pack, you can have twice as much coverage, or if you need to set them at different angles to cover different areas of your property, then having 2 is just a great advantage. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.